Hello friends, it's July 8th. I'm going to give you a July update on my plants. They're all doing really well. We've been consuming them every day. Look at all my eggplants. How many? So many of them. So my hot peppers, look how many in one plant. So hot peppers. We have some crunchy peppers here. Cucumbers. Eating, eating so many of them. Lot of cucumbers. Cucumbers here. There are more eggplants. So many. My shishito peppers or twisted peppers coming out really nice. Lettuce. They're all lettuce. Yeah, more lettuce. So squash. It's the long squash. And we have round squash. So many. We've been eating them every day and giving it to friends also. My tomatoes. A lot of tomatoes. Cherry tomatoes. lettuce. I planted new lettuce seeds, coming out nice. And more of the crunch peppers here. A lot of them. My basil is doing fine. Basil, rosemary, and parsley. My sesame leaves doing really well. Oh, healthy, very healthy. The more lettuce. Okay, I'll update again in August. See you soon. Every day I find one or two of these spotted lanternflies on my cucumbers. I've been getting rid of, killing them with neem oil and dish soap formula. I'm not sure whether you have this problem, but 2 years ago we had a big problem with these lanternflies, spotted lanternflies. They suck the juices from the plant and they kill them. So it's very important to get rid of them. We have a spotted lanternfly here. What they do is they suck up on the juices of the plant and they will kill the plant. So I'm spraying neem oil with dish soap. As you can see, they can breathe and they die. So fill with water up to about here, up to the line. Then add 1 tablespoon of the neem oil and 1 tablespoon of the dish liquid, and then kind of shake it a little bit. Every time you use it, you have to shake it so that it mixes well. And what it does is it's gonna coat the bugs and they won't be able to breathe. But don't spray all over your plants because it might damage your plant, the leaves. Just spray directly on the bugs.